My name is Mikaela from Pablo Science, and I am a grade 11 student attending St. Joseph's College School, and I am interested in studying psychology in university. Today, I'm going to be showing you the sacred pepper experiment, which teaches you about surface tension. These are the ingredients needed for the experiment. First, I will start off with pouring water into the bowl. Then, I spread pepper all over the water. As you can see, when I stick my finger into the water, nothing happens. I am now lathering my hands with soap. Now, once I touch the water with soap on my finger, the pepper distances itself from my finger.
Hello everyone, my name is Janina. I'm a grade 11 student and I'll be your scientist for today. Today's experiment, I will be showing you how to create your own lava lamp using household items that you might own. So without further ado, let's get learning. For today's experiment, you will be needing vegetable oil or whatever is available to you. I'll be using sunflower oil for today, a clear container, a glass or a plastic bottle would work just fine, Alka-Seltzer, food coloring, and water.
Feel free to pause the video if you have to. Fill the glass up about 1/2 cup of water. Then add a few drops of your favorite food coloring. Pour the vegetable oil in the glass until it's almost full. You may have to wait a couple of minutes for the oil and water to separate. As you can see, the two liquids stay separated in different layers. Break your fizzy tablet in half and drop part of it into the glass. Get ready, cause this is where it gets bubbly.
For watching. I encourage you to try this experiment out at home and to tag Pablo Science in your experimental results. Don't forget to subscribe to the Pablo Science YouTube channel and to follow them on TikTok and Facebook for more content. Thanks, bye!